So this right here is the iPhone 16 Pro, and Apple, as expected, has raised the bar once again with a titanium frame, 6.3-inch ProMotion display, the all-new A18 Bionic chip. This phone is packed with features that scream premium. In terms of first impressions, when I open the box, this thing just looks and feels premium. The titanium frame isn't just for looks, it makes it super lightweight while still keeping it durable. And I think that's a very, very awesome thing. Okay, so now let's talk actual specs. Starting with the display. So the display is a 6.3-inch display with a resolution of 2400 by 1170. It's an OLED ProMotion display, which is absolutely stunning. And you've got 120 Hz refresh rates, HDR10 Plus, and XDR brightness. So it's good even in direct sunlight. In terms of its build, it's an aerospace-grade titanium frame with ceramic shield for improved durability and scratch resistance. It's 190 grams, so it's much lighter than the predecessors due to the titanium materials. And in terms of actual resolution, it's 149.6 by 71.5 by 8.3 millimeters. So what about the camera? So this has a 48 megapixel main camera, and I've been testing it out, and the results are nuts. You've got a 6x optical zoom, Pro RAW, and Apple's photonic engine that does wonders for low light shots. Content creators, this is the dream setup coming from me. In terms of the actual cameras itself, it's a triple camera setup, the main being a 48 megapixel f1.7, the second being an ultra wide 12 megapixel f2.2, and the third being a telephoto 12 megapixel 6x optical zoom. It can record 4K 120 and 1080 at 240. The selfie camera is a 12 megapixel f1.9, which is a wide and can record 4K 60 and 1080 at 120. So for the gamers out there, the A18 Bionic chip handles everything like a champ, whether it's multitasking or gaming. This thing doesn't break a sweat. And with 8 gigs of RAM, the multitasking is absolutely buttery smooth, right? In terms of storage, this comes with in 4 types of configuration: 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. The 16 Pro is 5G ready with a millimeter wave and sub 6 gigahertz support for lightning fast connectivity. It also supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, a USB Type-C with Thunderbolt 4 support. This beast is powered by a 3700 milliamp hour battery, offering you 24 hours worth of video playback, 35 watts worth of wired charging, 25 watts worth of MagSafe charging. There's an action button for customizable shortcuts, and enhanced Face ID works for wide angles. It also supports satellite SOS 2.0 and crash detection. So who is this phone really for? It's perfect for tech enthusiasts, professionals, and especially content creators. Because if you love taking photos, gaming, or just want the best experience out of a smartphone, this device is going to deliver and not let you down. Now, the price you ask? So this retails for 26,499 Rand for the base 128 gig variant. From that, it is available from the iStore, and it is definitely on the pricier side, but for what you're getting, it is an investment. And the one good thing with iPhones is that they don't massively lose value over time. So now let's talk about pros and cons. Let's break it down. Starting with the pros. That titanium build, right? Light, durable, and obviously gorgeous. The A18 Bionic chip. It's the fastest processor in any phone right now. The camera system. The camera system is absolutely unmatched, especially for content creators. And obviously, the final thing that we can't forget is the Type-C. So no more hunting for charging ports and be like, hey, you got a iPhone cable? Nothing like that. While talking about charging ports, we also can't forget to mention the improved battery life and faster charging options. When it comes to the cons, right? Number one has to be the price. It's not for everyone, but if it is suited for you, then it makes 100% sense. The second is the fact that there's no expandable storage, so you have to choose wisely when you are purchasing the device. And the third is, if you're coming from the 15 Pro, the upgrade feels very minor compared to if you're moving like from the 11 or 12 Pro. So what's the verdict? The iPhone 16 Pro is hands down one of the most powerful and polished phones out there. Apple really nailed the design, the performance, and I mean, Apple is definitely known for their camera system, so that can't be faulted of them. But I'll admit, the price is a big ask, and if you're on the 15 Pro, this might not feel like a huge jump. However, for anyone upgrading from like an older model or an Android, or an Android user that's thinking of switching, this is one to beat, 100%. So, would you make the switch? Honestly, I'm seriously considering it, and I am going to have a conversation after ending this review to actually get that done. Maybe. So yeah, that's my take on the iPhone 16 Pro. What do you think? Is this the future of smartphones or just another incremental upgrade? You can let me know in the comment section below. A huge shout out to the iStore. So if you're thinking of picking up one of these devices, you can head over to the iStore. It's linked in the description below. As always, guys, don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our future content. And as usual, my name is Preshaan, and I'll catch you in the next video.